In this video, I am answering 5 of your most asked questions as of lately. I'm Dr. Maren Locke, the budget dermatologist. I help you find affordable skincare solutions that actually work. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel and come say hi on Instagram at the budget dermatologist. This video is rapid fire. If you want answers without a lot of fluff, this video is for you. It's going to be high yield, short and sweet. We are covering topics about dry, cracked lips, retinol alternatives, how to fix dark circles under the eyes, the best moisturizer for your body skin, and what you should be adding to your winter skincare routine to really boost or fix really stubborn dry skin. It's all in this video right now. Hit subscribe. Any products I mentioned will be linked in the description. The first question comes from my Q&A box on my Instagram stories. I do those fairly often there. And my follower is asking me, what is the best lip product to fix dry, cracked lips? So here's the deal. After many years of trying so many products, my recommendation is to try a product that has peptides in it to rebuild and strengthen that really delicate skin barrier of the lips. And you want to use this in the morning and at night, and you are going to want to also use another occlusive ointment on the lips. My favorite is Vanicream ointment. You can also try Vaseline, but not Aquaphor. And you want to use this at least 1 to 2 times throughout the day. So here is my recommendation of the best lip repair product. It is from the Inkey List. It is called the Tripeptide Plumping Lip Balm. It is so affordable, and it basically has the same formula as this more expensive one by Paula's Choice. The difference here is this has a very nice metal applicator tip. This is plastic, but the formula, again, very similar, if not the same. And so this works incredible. I'm linking this below. So this consistency, it's clear, and it's just a nice little hydrating occlusive ointment. So as a side note, I just recently met up with my sister for a sister's weekend, and she was complaining to me about her dry, cracked lips that she's had for years and that nothing can fix them. So I pulled this out of my cosmetic bag. I let her try it for the few days that we were together, and then I let her keep it and take it home. And I get a text message from her the day after she gets back home, and she says, "Oh my gosh, my lips are totally fixed. They are not dry and cracked anymore. This stuff is amazing." So it really works, and it's very affordable. I'm linking it below. And also I am linking Vanicream ointment below. I get it from Amazon. It is very affordable, and it is such a nice occlusive barrier ointment that you can apply to the lips throughout the day. That's below too. The next question, what is the best brand of lotion for dry skin? Okay, this is a little bit of a broad question, but I chose to interpret this as what is the best moisturizer, not lotion, for body skin. So that is the angle I'm taking when answering this question. My number one product that I use to moisturize my body for years now, and I have not found anything better. Honestly, I'm not even looking. So this is the product by La Roche-Posay, the Triple Repair Moisturizing Cream. Cream, not the lotion form, but the cream form of this product. So here's the deal. Lotions are the thinnest, least hydrating. Creams are more thick and more hydrating. Then you have balms and ointments, which are the heaviest. So I usually go for a cream. It is the most user-friendly, but gives the best hydration. This has ceramides, shea butter, glycerin, and niacinamide in it. So it is beautiful at repairing the body and then getting hydration in there and keeping it there. You cannot beat this product. So I'm linking this one below, but I'm gonna give you another tip. Use a cleansing oil in the shower for optimal hydration. This is one from La Roche-Posay by the same line, the Lipikar line. And I use this in the shower. This just gives another layer of hydration to the skin. And then when you get out, within 30 seconds, bam, you are putting this on your skin. You are going to have optimal hydration even through the winter months. Next question, I get asked about eye products, possibly more than anything else. So this question is specifically asking, what can I use for dark circles under my eyes? My best recommendation here is to find a vitamin C eye cream that you love and that works for you. Vitamin C is known to improve dark circles and dark spots on the skin. However, vitamin C can also be quite irritating, and you must really be careful. I like vitamin C products that contain the form of vitamin C called tetrahexyldecyl ascorbate. This particular form is the least irritating, and it gets the best penetration, better than L-ascorbic acid, so it is more tolerable, and it's really great for sensitive skin or that delicate under eyelid skin. So here's an example of a vitamin C under eye product. This is the Revive and Glow Eye Balm by Rock. This also has peptides as well as the vitamin C in it. And I'm just gonna go right over my makeup with this. One swipe, you don't even have to touch, clear, and it blends in. So it's great for all skin tones. So you can check this one out. I will link it below. You can also try other serums, creams, whatever you like that works for you. But for dark circles, I'm recommending vitamin C eye products. Next question. One of my followers said, my skin gets so dry in the winter. What should I add or subtract from my normal routine? Now, I am going to answer this question again from a body skincare perspective. Here is something you want to add. It is a body serum before your moisturizer. Paula's Choice has this one. This is a 5% niacinamide serum that I am obsessed with. This is so helpful. It has completely resolved that dry, kind of crackly skin appearance that is so rampant in the winter. And then I lock in that hydration with my Lipicard Balm that I already mentioned. So this one is absolutely incredible. If you feel like your normal body moisture is just not enough, add a body serum under it. Or, I'm dropping things, for a more affordable option, this is one I have tried more recently by Good Molecules. It is the B5 Hydrating Body Serum. So I'm going to link both of these below, but add a serum under your moisturizer. It is a game changer. And then, like I said, of course, add your cleansing oil in the shower, and then just be very consistent with applying your moisturizer, and you are going to really change the hydration level of your skin. And a last tip, you want to apply these serums and body creams as soon as you get out of the shower, within 30 seconds when your skin is still damp, because it's gonna suck up that hydration much better for a much deeper hydration. I'm linking all of those products below. My next question comes from one of my YouTube comments, and someone asks, what is the best retinoid alternative routine to use while nursing? Okay, here is the deal. And this is a great routine for anyone, not just pregnant or breastfeeding people. It's anyone who wants a great anti-aging routine without retinoids. Maybe your skin can't handle retinoids, or you just want something that's less difficult to incorporate into your skincare routine. So this is for you as well. You will focus on 3 powerhouse non-retinoid anti-aging ingredients. These are bakuchiol, peptides, and vitamin C. Those are your 3 main players that are safe in pregnancy and breastfeeding and can give you similar results to retinoids, but with way less side effects, and they're so much more enjoyable to use. First, bakuchiol. It is a true retinoid alternative. It is a natural skincare ingredient that works to give you the same results, but just a different pathway. I have numerous videos on bakuchiol, a deep dive into this topic, the science behind it, and lots of product reviews and routines. So this one, by 3 Ships, the Skin Hero, is my favorite bakuchiol product. It is 2% bakuchiol, which is among the highest that I have found. It is so nice on the skin, non-irritating. I'm going to link this one below. Next, let's talk about peptides. A peptide serum is just a must in your routine. You want to use the bakuchiol at night, and then you're gonna throw a peptide serum on in the morning. My favorite is the Peptide Squad by Maylove. This is unmatched, and it's always sold out, like 3 times in a row. It just launched last year, and it sells out without minutes, as far as I can tell, each time it relaunches. I'm going to link it below, but you probably won't be able to find it. Instead, another one I love is by the Inky List, the Collagen Peptide Serum. This is way more affordable, and it's actually really good. It can be a workhorse serum, peptide serum in your routine. It has Matrix Cell 3000 in it, which is the most recommended and studied type of peptide for anti-aging. So these are linked below. And then lastly, a vitamin C serum. Maylove makes the Glow Maker antioxidant serum. It has vitamin C, E, and ferulic acid. It is very affordable. It is very effective. You guys tell me all the time that this product right here is amazing and gives you almost an instant glow. So I'm linking that below. And I also love the Peter Thomas Roth vitamin C that has the THD ascorbate in it. It is a lot more expensive, but it's another great option. This is one of my favorite budget picks, and I'm going to link both of those below. So in the morning, you are going to cleanse, then apply your serum, either the peptide or the vitamin C, then your moisturizer and SPF. And at night, even more simple, cleanse, bakuchiol, and then put on your moisturizer. So if you guys liked this really rapid fire, most asked question style video that I just did, give it a thumbs up and comment below that you want more of these, and drop questions below. I will pull some from these YouTube comments and some from my Q&A box on Instagram, and we can try to crank these out a little more often. So just let me know, and make sure you hit subscribe before you head out of here. See you guys soon. Bye.